Hi everybody, it's Lucia. Haven't seen you for a while or talked to you in a while, but today I decided to venture out at my lunch hour because I went into the office today. I've been working from home a lot and haven't been able to, well, not that I haven't been able to, I just haven't gone out. So today I went into the office, and then on my lunch hour I decided to go to the Dollar Tree, and I found a lot of things that are crafty and organizational. So I bought a couple of organizational things and a few craft items that I thought I would just share with you. So the first thing is these collapsible storage containers, and look at the design on these. These are only $1 each, and they're the square ones, and it says they're 10.5 by 11. So I can't wait to use those. I have some shelves that I just want to fill with things that I want to alter, that I'm going to put in here. So hopefully when I do a video of my craft room, you will see these in use eventually. Hopefully my plan is to get around to it. We'll see if that happens. So I got those, and I got 7 of these, and they had a lot of them. So I'm hoping if I need more, they're going to still have them. Because that's one thing with the Dollar Tree, you know. You don't always, if you don't get what you get there the first time, then, you know, you may not get it when you go back. Okay, so then I got these storage bins. These are actually these were in the food container section, and these are, it says 8 food ounces or 10 cups of whatever, but I'm not going to use it for that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take like my markers and pens and colored pencils and gel pens. Like I have markers, I have them like in this right now, but I want to put them in here. And the reason I want to do that, and I have these marked, is I want to be able to stack these on top of each other. These I just have sitting on a shelf and they don't stack very well, but these, I figure if I put my pens and stuff in there and then take the label off and stick it on this container and then just stack it up, it's going to save me a lot of room. So that's my plan for those. That way I have them stacked all up on top of each other, and I know what's in it. I can just grab the container I need, bring it down to my workstation, work. When I'm done, I can put it back. So that's my plan for those, and I got 6 of those. And they always usually have those in Dollar Tree. Another thing I found was these clips. They're clamps. These are really good for holding, you know, your pages in an art journal, or holding your fabric together, your binding, when you're binding something. So I got a package of those, which I thought they were really cool. You get 6 of them for $1, and they're pink, really cute. And then I found this chalk writer marker, so I got that. It says it's wet and erasable, and the reason I got this, I thought it was really cool, is because I also got these chalkboard tags, and I got the round ones. I got 2 packages, 6 in each package, and I also got the tag shaped ones, and I'm going to use those in my organization also, and I thought I could write on it with this to show whatever's in my, I could even tie these to those bins I got that are hanging down, so I know what's inside each bin. So that's what I'm going to do with those. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in forever, and I found some really good stuff. I found these metallic markers. So this one is, it doesn't say what color it is, but it looks like it's gold, white, and then I'm not sure what this one is. It's like a purplish color, pinkish, metallic. It's pretty. So I got those 3 markers. Another thing I found was this this little tool, this embossing stylist. So I picked up one of those. I got some double-sided tape. I actually got 3 of these. And then in their sticker, oh, here's 2. Maybe I only got 2 of those. So in the sticker department, I found, well, actually these are transfers, rub-on transfers. These letters, I got 2 of those because I just like this style of letter. It's really cool. And then I got these transfers. I got 2 of those because I really like them. They're really nice. I like them because they're vintage looking with the dress form, the perfume bottle, the hairbrush. They're pretty cool. And then I found these stickers, and I really don't need any stickers because I'm trying to actually use up my stickers. But I saw these and they were pretty. Again, more vintage, shabby chic style. I like those. And then I found a bunch of stencils, which I was really surprised. So I got this one, and it has all of these sayings on it. And then this one. And then this one. It says, create your own happiness. Don't stop until you're proud. Yes. These. 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 Butterflies. And then this has various sea animals on it. So yeah, that's my little Dollar Tree haul. I was actually pretty happy with everything that I got. It was nice to get out and buy something. I'm trying not to buy a whole lot, but these I think are for a better cause. These are for, you know, organization. Not just to spend my money. Impulse buys, you know. Sometimes you see someone share something, you're like, oh, I gotta have that, I gotta have that. And then you don't end up using it. But I plan on using all this stuff, and hopefully I'll get a video out showing you my organization redo of my craft room. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.